Everyone, welcome to our 1961 Aston Martin restoration video where we turn parts from this into this. If you like seeing decades of corrosion and abuse taken away with a multitude of different surface finishing technologies, this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned.
Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies today. We have some parts that have been brought in. Actually, Desiree had some parts brought in, and we're gonna go take a look at them right now and see what she's got back there. So come on and follow me back. Hey Desiree, what we got today?
Todd? Well, one of my customers dropped off parts for a 1961 Aston Martin that he's rebuilding.
Not quite the 64 like we were hoping with the James Bond, but a 61, I got you. What are we doing?
Well, this customer is actually based out of Pennsylvania, but he saw how fantastic the finish was with the vapor honing process. He shipped all of the parts out to us directly here in Lincolnton, North Carolina to get them cleaned up and restored.
You know, we've got a lot of parts here. I think we could probably do like a series on this, cleaning these parts up and showing all of our subscribers out there exactly what this process can do in restoring this. And I believe I heard you say that this is actually being put together in Mooresville, North Carolina?
Correct, it's being put together in Mooresville.
So it's possible that by the time we get all this finished, we could actually get some footage of the car when it was done, I would think.
That would be nice. I think we actually can do that. So we'll get it cleaned up, restored, rebuilt, and then maybe we get to do a little test drive.
Well, I'll tell you what, there's no better time than the present. Let's get started.
All right.
All right, so we've got our rear axle here cover. We just finished blasting. Now, we did this entire piece in the mixture of glass bead and aluminum oxide. And one thing that we did determine is the level of corrosion on this because of its age. It's taking quite a while to actually finish these parts up with just using this mixture. Spoke with the customer. He is not opposed to us actually doing a dry soda first and then going back over it with our mixture. So the rest of the parts, that's what we're gonna be doing. This one, he didn't want a really bright, shiny finish on this. This more dull finish is more factory oriented with this year make and model. So we're gonna finish the rest of these parts up. You can come back next week. Desiree's gonna do one of these parts and we'll see how that one turns out. Questions or comments, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.